Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a function is given by a table of values, a graph, a formula, or a verbal description, and determine whether the function is one-to-one. So what we're going to do is we're going to see here that we have the function f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. And what we're going to do is we're just going to graph this function. So we have this in slope-intercept form. So we have a y-intercept of -3. And we have a slope of 2. So for every 1 to the right, it goes up 2. 1 to the right, up 2. 1 to the right, up 2. And so on. And we get this general graph. And the way we determine the graph of a function is one-to-one is by the horizontal line test, which states that for any horizontal line that we place through the function, there has to be only one intersection point. And we can see that this is true. Any lines we draw only intersect the function once.